Hi, in this video we're gonna talk about HTML headings and paragraphs. So as you see in this video, I'm gonna use IntelliJ IDE, so you can download it from the JetBrains website. It's free and open source and is available for Windows, Mac and Linux operating systems. So let's start. So HTML headings are titles or subtitles that you want to display on a web page. So HTML headings are defined with the h1 tag to h6 tag, and the h1 tag defines the most important heading, and the h6 tag defines the least important heading. So inside we're gonna create the h2 tag, h3, h4 and h5. So those are heading 2. We're gonna copy it. Heading 2, heading 3, heading 4 and heading 5. 3, 4, 5. So those are the predefined headings in HTML language. So we're gonna test it in our browser. So as you see here, we have the h1 heading, the most important one, and the h6 heading, the least important one, and inside we have heading 2, heading 3, heading 4 and so on. There is an important aspect about HTML headings. So each HTML heading has a default size. However, you can specify the size for any heading with the style attributes. We have already talked about the style attribute in the previous video. HTML attributes, you can find it and use it. So we're gonna use it also now. So for example, if we want for the h1 heading, if we want to add more size to the h1 heading, we're gonna use the attribute style, and we're gonna use the font size name with the value for pixels, and we're gonna test it now and you will see the difference. So here it is. So this is it for headings, and let's now talk about paragraphs. So what you must know about paragraphs, it's that a paragraph always starts on a new line and is usually a block of text. So the HTML P tag defines a paragraph, and a paragraph always starts on a new line, as I said before, and browsers automatically add some white space margin before and after a paragraph. So let's create an example. So the P, so this is a paragraph, and let's create another paragraph, There is important aspects about paragraph. For example, the first one, if you add some space in a paragraph, the browser will automatically remove it. And the second aspect is that if you add, for example, empty line, the browser will remove it also. So let's test those aspects in the browser. So as you see, there is no space and no line here. Automatically the browser will remove those space and lines. So let's talk about another tag in the HTML language, which is the HR tag. So the HR tag defines a thematic break in an HTML page and is most often displayed as an horizontal rule. So the HR element is used to separate content or define a change in an HTML page. So let's use it. For example, this is our heading 1 and we're gonna use the HR break. It's an empty tag, which means that this tag has no end tag, as we learned in the previous videos. So we're gonna add the first paragraph after it, and we're gonna add another HR tag, and we're gonna add the second paragraph after it. So let's test that in the browser. So as you see, there is an horizontal rule after our heading and another one after our paragraph. So this is it for headings and paragraphs. Hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos, and see you soon.